Hey, seventh graders, if you're watching this, then you are in the yellow group. And that means that on your broken chain paragraph, you would have scored about a 2 or 3 on that formative. So, what that means is you have a good start, but it could go higher for the summative. So, if you want to, you can rewrite your formative using this information. So, when you are writing, make sure that you're following the instructions on that page closely. I took a picture of what was on that original assignment page. So, think about your paragraph should answer this question: how does the author of Broken Chain show personal choices that develop resilience? So, you should be writing a whole paragraph that explains that. It can be handwritten or typed. You can use your notebook. Um, but think about in that first sentence, you're going to explain how choice and resilience are connected. Then you need to use substantial examples from the story. You're going to be talking about Alfonso. So, how does Alfonso make a choice? And then, how does that show that he's resilient? Use several literary terms. So, you can use terms like the character of Alfonso or in the plot of the story, and that'll get you there. And then you can, to get up to a 4, you can use this paragraph frame. And since you're at a 2 or a 3 now, I suggest that you do. So use this paragraph frame. You can copy it and paste it into your doc, and then you're filling in the blanks. So in Broken Chain, the author Gary Soto shows that people make choices every day that help build resilience. That takes care of that first part for you. In the story, the character of, you're going to talk about Alfonso, makes a personal choice when here's where you list what choice does he make. So you get rid of that line and you fill in a choice that Alfonso makes. This shows resilience because what? So if Alfonso makes the choice to wash his bike and then the chain breaks, how does that show resilience? So you write that in here. Then another time he makes a decision that shows resilience is when. Tell me about another choice that he makes, and then how does that show resilience? If you want to see an example of what that would look like, then you can read this paragraph here on the bottom because that shows an example using Ernie. And that's what your paragraph should look like, only using Alfonso. So do your best. If you want to resubmit, you can, and I will give you written feedback on that before you take your summative tomorrow.